guys, I have my webcam right there. And today I am actually playing Roblox on a new account. Go at it. It's called Alex 101 and 565. So we're gonna play that obby. I accidentally clicked work at a pizza place. Okay, so yeah, I actually have to move that. Wait a sec. So, yeah, I'm gonna play this obby. I don't know how to pronounce that. Exploration. What? Who cares? I'm playing that. Hey guys. Sorry if you hear noise in the background, because one day it might be my dad, because his country won a goal. He might be, oh God. It's true. Okay, so I'm joining right now. It's right there. You can see it. Look at it. Look at it. Ay. You guys like my shirt? I love trolls. They're so cute. This is well, right here is Poppy, not just some hair. I love Poppy. She's so cute. And Branch. Welcome to the base camp. Oh yeah, I forgot. Boy, and I haven't designed my character, but I'm cool. Follow this path to begin your journey. Okay, so I'm gonna change real quick. Yeah. My microphone is back there. Okay. It doesn't work. Look, it's broken. Oh, yeah. I could just go, hi guys, or just say like, hey, yeah. Yeah. Alright, ready? Ah! Okay. One down, I'm in the mud. Okay, so I'm gonna change first. Ooh. Okay. So I'm not really good at the orange justice. And the orange justice does it wrong because that, like, what's that? Oh my god. So. No, I'm gonna be like a block. It's called the Roblox, y'all. Ew, the hands. That's right. Cachate. Okay. I'm actually at a different angle. Because my bed. Oh my god. Oh my god. The man head is just triggers me. Okay, so before bacon brow, I'm a bacon brow. Wow. Now time to change. I'm not changing the clothes. Well, I am, but later. I'm too lazy. What is this? What? Yeah, that's not happening. No. Okay, this is good. I chose the wrong time to like record a video. I always go with the green jersey and not the dark green. I go with the black jeans. Wait. I'm joking. It's like I'm playing Movie Star Planet. I haven't played Movie Star Planet for a long time. Cause it's boring. You just sit there until a captain band like finishes. Okay, right now I look at Latino boys. Okay, we're okay. Let's reset. Ew! What the heck was? Hey y'all! So this is me. Whoop whoop whoop! Yeah. Follow this path to begin your journey. Wait. Oh, okay. Just follow the path. I was like confused for a second. So cool. Even though I'm wearing like, it just something gave you. It made me cold. It's like I feel like a ghost is watching me. Is this a path? No. Platform? No, yeah, I guess that's a platform. Do you have what it takes to reach the summit? Yeah, I have. Your journey begins. Mob. Dot. That's a brush. What's this right here? Okay. So this is cute. I'm trying to. Whoa! Okay. I'm like blind or something. I'm legit blind. I'm great at obbies. I'm a master. Yeah, I'm totally a master. Oh. Okay. Oh. Thin ice, so this means like. What? I didn't touch it. This is like so glitchy. Okay, so this is the chick. I'm giving this Roblox today. I'm gonna make him. Whoa. Well, because we're fat, we don't want to get a wedgie, eh? Does this fall? That's stupid. Who would be dumb enough to go like this? I fell down the water thingies. Oh, could we try? Yeah, we just take that wedgie off. I actually got a wedgie in real life. What? Okay. Whoa! Thanks, Obby. Now I can freaking cheat. Y'all gotta fix that. Oh yeah. Oh wait. No. You definitely gotta fix that. Gotta like fall down. Right there. I got this, my idea. Okay. Ugh, I almost fell. Okay. I'm not a master at all these, but I'm just joking. I used to be. I never died on nothing. It's just like the lag. Let me see the quad. I'm adding those people. Oh, we got a friend. Micro profiler. What is that? No? Oh, I hate the perform stats. Automatic. Well, that's actually kind of fast. Oh, it shows you like right there. I did not notice that. Who died? Boo! Whoa, whoa! I did not jump that. Oh look, we're in gymnastics. Ready? I did it! Without dying. Man, I got a talent. Okay. I should go in America's Got Talent. Psych. I am solving those. Okay. It's over here. Ew, wow. I'm winning, y'all. And then the next video I'm gonna okay. I'm gonna stop here. Wait. I could keep going, but we just got a friend. Yay. What the? Okay, then how do I enter? Oil spill. If it's oil, like, why would I be swimming here? Wouldn't oil, like, spread around? Alright. No! We're not gonna rest. Whoa! Okay. So whenever this ends, like there's a time limit, so when this ends, that means bye. Sorry I haven't been recording a long time. I have summer camp. My friend, shout out to her. Her name's Katia, my new best friend. Sonia, if you're watching this, Katia is in my summer camp, and I saw you, and yeah, you're my new best friend. Heh. Whoa. And I have something that that girl gave me. Whoa, lava, loo. Whoa. And, Davi, kid called Davi, he's also in my summer camp school. Bus. Whoa. This fat guy. He touched that. Whoa. Wait. Oh, there it is. Could we just, like, I want to jump. Oh, whoa. I thought I, like, it looks, like, so beautiful. I'm gonna jump! Whee! What? Oh. Yeah, I just, like, want to jump again. Sadly, I cannot. Cause, whenever this stops, okay, that means I ended the video. You don't have to jump, but I'm just jumping. Boy, I'm just so scared. Is there like a slash hide? Only on assassin or? Oh. Well, who cares? Who cares? Ouch! Okay. That's my desk. Oh my god!